going on, Numala? Hold on, Noodle. Hold on. Just a second, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live right here from Dangriga, Belize. Is Dian Ellis Nuru. Nuru.
Yes.
Yeah, what's going on, my brother?
I'm good.
I'm about to call you right now. Why don't you wait?
Huh?
I'm about to call you right now.
All right, then I'll be waiting.
Yeah, man. Okay. All right. Hello, Mr. Lali. Lawrence Nunez in the house, straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. How are you, Lali?
Hey, Ronnie, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
Doing good.
Man, I'm glad to hear you're doing good, man. Praise to God.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm listening to it. It's kind of muffled, man. You need to be cleaned up a little bit.
Oh, okay. The music or the conversation?
No, the music.
Okay.
Sometimes it's dragging.
Yeah, what happens is we have a lot of people on the line right now listening.
Okay.
What I recommend is that you go to TuneIn and try to use TuneIn to dial so you could listen better. If not, go ahead and tune in through the radio station in New York, lmbroots.com.
Okay.
That would be a clear signal.
Okay, I'm on TuneIn though. I'm in TuneIn.
Okay, so if you're in, stay there. But it's good, man. We're live on the radio right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lali Nunez, the owner of Black Coral Cafe in Las Vegas, Nevada. So Lali, are you ready for the 19th of November, big celebration for Belizeans?
Yes, man, we're ready.
Okay, beautiful.
We're ready in Las Vegas, and we're doing it in LA and Las Vegas this year.
So what's going on? Tell us, what's the lineup? Who's coming? What's going on?
Well, in LA, we're gonna be doing the backyard at Martha's backyard under the shed for Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna be doing the Bayan Baba, mostly Garifuna drumming, right? And Garif gonna be there on Sunday. The Bayan Baba, Gui Pasi, right?
Beautiful.
And we're gonna have a lot of drumming.
So the celebration in November is gonna be on Saturday, November 15th, right? And the 16th.
Yeah, 15th and the 16th, yeah.
When is it going to be in Las Vegas?
Say again?
When is it happening in Las Vegas?
In Las Vegas, we're doing it right at Black Coral Cafe. We're going to put in some shed in front, just like we did, man, for the grand opening.
Okay.
Right, we're going to put some tents in the front. We're going to have GUI and some drummers up here.
Okay, but what date?
We're going to be doing it on the 9th. On Sunday, November 9th.
Okay, listen, gentlemen, you heard it live and direct right here on Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Lali Nunez, the owner of Black Coral Cafe and a big supporter of the movement of Garifuna 19th of November celebration in Los Angeles and now in Las Vegas, is going to be having two events back to back on the 9th of November in Las Vegas, Nevada, and on the 15th of November right here in Los Angeles, California, with the biggest celebration of the West Coast and out of Belize for the 19th of November, Garifuna Settlement Day. Thank you, Lali, and we'll pray for you, man, for your business to keep doing good, and the microphone is yours.
Thanks, man, I appreciate it, right? Whenever you're in Las Vegas, don't forget to stop in at Black Coral Cafe. Check us out.
Beautiful. Thank you, Lali. That's Lali Nunez, ladies and gentlemen, from Las Vegas, Nevada, calling us live right here in the studio.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Belizean Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centro America and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live in the studio from Long Beach, California. This is your weekly radio show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We have straight from Dangriga, Belize, the one and only Nuru, Dian Ellis Nuru, one of the most talented musicians. He plays music, he arranges music, he writes music, he sings, he does backup, he does everything, man. He's the man behind a lot of the good songs that you're listening right now. So we're going to play one more song. This is from Georgette Lambi's album featuring Nuru. This is called Lufuluri Papa. So we got a good amount of selections right now with Nuru, and we'll be calling him in a few minutes, and we're gonna be live interviewing Nuru Dian Ellis straight from Dangriga, Belize.
Lufuluri Papa.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, due to the lack of time, we are going to get right into the interview. We have right from Dangriga, Belize, doing some music work as we speak is Dian Ellis Nuru. Mr. Nuru, how are you this evening? Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga.
Hi, everybody. I am fine. Here in Dundee, getting ready for November. As usual, it's the time of the year that we really get down to business and work. So you're catching me right in the middle of rehearsals.
Oh, okay, beautiful. That's what I heard in the background. Yes, man. So, Nuru, thank you, man, for taking our phone call. We are live on 4 radio stations right now. We're live in Los Angeles through RadioCentroamerica.com. In New York, we have 2 stations. We have LMBRoots.com radio from the 502 crew from Labuga, Livingston. And, of course, they are in the Bronx. And also Radio Garifuna from Mr. Garifuna Link, Murphy Valentine, and we are live in Honduras through Radio Guiriga 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras, Departamento de Colón. So, man, lucky man.
All right. Well, I'd like to say, pleasant good night to everybody who's listening. It's really my pleasure to be able to live at this time. You know, it's been a while, you know, but I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Beautiful. I put your information online. There is a lot of people who are tuning in right now in New York and all over the United States, especially right here in Los Angeles. So I want you to take a minute to acknowledge all the Garifuna community who are listening. We have Belizeans, Guatemalans, Hondurans, and also people from Nicaragua of Garifuna descent, of course. So take a minute to acknowledge all of our audience who are listening, not only Garifuna, but also a lot of Spanish people who love your music, man.
All right. So, los saludos para toda mi gente en New York, Los Angeles, in Honduras, Guatemala. You know, I mean, I'd like to say a pleasant good night to everybody who's listening all over. I just put it in this entirety because it's sort of kind of a lot.
That's right.
You know what I mean? But I just like to say, you know, good night to everybody. And I hope to see you all soon. I hope you all enjoying the music. I hope you all enjoying the whole, you know, Garifuna movement. I think it's about time that we get to a level where we get respected and, you know, we give credit where it's due and we become brothers and all the good stuff that goes along with the business. So I hope we are there, you know. It's all about togetherness now. I mean, we're getting older. Nobody's getting younger. So it's about time that maturity kicks in and let it work. You know, it's all about brotherhood now.
Yes, man. I was telling the audience that you're one of the few musicians who is well-rounded. Not only are you a good singer, but also you play every instrument that there is for a band. You play the bass, the keyboard, you make arrangements, you play the rhythm keyboard, the lead keyboard. The only thing that you don't play is the garound. I don't think you play the garound, do you?
I used to play the garound, but at a point in my life I had fell and I broke my arm, and I don't have the same reflexes to play garound like how I used to, but I have a basic understanding of how it's supposed to be played. I mean, I have tried my best to develop as much as I can in whatever field I can. I do understand that there's not a lot of people who understand the music, so yes, I do play all of the above. I do a lot of arrangements. I produce people like Topo. I produce people like Loverboy now. I did Georgette. I have done a lot of work for myself, of course. I've, you know, collaborated with a lot of people. So it's been a very, you know, humbling journey. I must say. I mean, not everybody actually get the opportunity to do the things that I do and go the places I go, and I'm really thankful and grateful for all the accomplishments.
Yes.
I just have to say, it doesn't happen in one day, though.
Yes, man. Yes. Nuru, I have a question, man, and this is a lot of people probably has this question in their mind. How did you get into the music? How did you get initiated? Was it in Belize, in Dangriga? Which band? And how old were you when you moved to New York?
Well, I started the whole music thing when I was a little kid. I mean, my dad was a Baha'i, and because of him being a Baha'i, I was introduced to, you know, singing, and we were kids at that time, and it was sort of kind of, you know, everybody didn't have that level of confidence to actually sing in front of a crowd, but it was okay to sing in church, you know. So that's what. I mean, I was pretty young. I was like 5, 6 years old. I never really took it serious until I was like 9, 10, and I started playing guitar, and I realized that it was going to be, you know, something that I really like. And then on top of it, I had my grandmother, and I mean Alejandra Hernandez, and my grandfather, who was just excellent when it comes to playing and singing, and it just became a part of me. And then I moved from there, and I was around Pen Cayetano when the whole movement started. I was always there. And then I got a gift from my grandmother when I was like 11. I got a guitar, so that was where everything just went crazy.
Yeah.
You know, it was just fun. I mean,
yes, man.
And then when I was like 20, 21, I moved to New York, and I was playing with Garifuna Kids for a little while, and then Garifuna Kids became Garifuna Legacy. And then I stayed with Legacy for like 3 years. And then, with maturity comes change, and that kicked in. And then I moved to LA, where I started to play with Punta Cartel, and I did the Mete Isaka album. It was me and Glenn Garcia who was basically the brainstorm behind it, and then all we needed was an executive producer, and Rafael came in and he did that. But, like I said, there are a lot of things in this business that a lot of people don't know, but that's just how it goes. I got to give respect for everybody who contributed in making me who I am, and I feel selfless if I don't give myself to everybody, because I have gotten a lot from people, so it's just fair that I give back. I basically owe my life to everybody.
Beautiful. Where would you say was the most productive time you spent? Was it the time in New York, the time in Los Angeles, or the time in Belize? Where was the most productive, musically speaking?
It has to be Los Angeles, because I was able to actually get physically involved with a lot of things and make a lot of decisions and make things go in a different direction. In comparison to when I was in New York, when I was in New York, it was sort of kind of hard because Garifuna Kids was already established. All I had to do was basically play a role. Eddie and Kokoman and Denny, they are the ones who were spearheading the whole thing, and I was just basically in the learning process. Everybody had to go through the learning process, and I was basically in the learning process. I was in Belize. I was a band leader for Sound City back in the days when they had Super G, Reckless, Lloyd. All these guys were just coming up. They were, pretty young cats, and I found them basically just hanging around, and I took them in, and I started training them, and next thing you know, I was living in New York, and I was comfortable just leaving them because I knew that they had learned enough to carry on, So I sort of kind of tried my best to give of, again, being selfless, give of myself to somebody else so that the industry can continue. And I'm really happy that basically I have gotten the opportunity to actually collaborate with a lot of people and help in whatever way I could. It's a struggle. Us as musicians, we all have families, and our families really and truly suffer because of what our efforts are. Now I think we have enough Garifuna people for the industry to really boom to where it needs to boom, and we are not rich people, but we try our best to see if we can get the best out of whatever we can afford. So
yes.
That's just it. Now the music scene is sort of kind of changing now. I am doing a lot of parandas. When I was younger, I am getting older.
And that was my next question.
I'm doing a lot of more dance parandas, But I have to give credit to the time I spent in Los Angeles. I think it was really good because I had the opportunity to actually not perfect my Spanish, but I got a little bit more knowledge of actually being able to sing in Spanish and talk and understand the language and, really socialize with everybody who I didn't understand at first. When I was living in New York, it was just Garifuna and English. And then I moved to New York, to LA, and everything just opened up, And regardless of all this, the troubles we go through, you just got to say thanks to everybody who contributed.
Yes, man. Beautiful.
Especially you, Buga.
Yeah. My next question, Nuru, is, it's not a question, but it's a statement I want to make that I think I know you very well. The time that we spent together working in the music business with Inevese Band and doing gigs here and there and everything. I think I know you well. I know your foundation was in Belize. You were able to get that stamp, that brand that you brought with you, with the paranda music, with the nice punta. Who inspired you? Who was the inspiration? I know you already mentioned your dad, Pen Cayetano. Who was your other idols that you really looked after, and injected you with that music that you bring in your veins?
Well, the first person I actually saw perform that really inspired me was Andy. I gotta give credit where it's due. Andy Palacio was the first person I looked at. But before Andy Palacio was Pen Cayetano. I used to live upstairs from where Pen Cayetano was rehearsing downstairs when I was a little kid. So it's always been in me for me to actually be able to execute and have that drive. So I would say those are the two people who really contributed when it comes to me being able to transcend from just being a kid and becoming an artist. And when it when it came to the instrumentation aspect of it, I will give, like I said, I give credit where it's due. I mean, I really admired how Eddie and Denny, those two guys, I really admired how they insisted on, you know, a certain level of perfection. And I think that is the driving force of where the industry needs to be. We need to be able to deliver, regardless of it being recorded or played live. I think those are very, very important. And it came to the vocal aspect of it. And I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm a big Celine Dion fan.
Yes, man. I want to acknowledge the people who are listening on live. Nuru, I want to acknowledge the people who are listening on live. We have Dale Ogaldes listening live in Chicago. Dale Ogaldes says hello. Also, John Avila and Candu Ivy. Let's see, the people from New York who are listening to lmbroots.com radio. Lots of people out there who just finished listening to Puntology. That's the other radio show with Don Julian. Joaquin Cibrian, Vicky Nunez. Let's see, Radio Guiriga is also listening. And, of course, they are the ones who are rebroadcasting the show live right now in Santa Fe, Honduras. Marta Valentin Letsom, also Lali Nunez, Juan Norales, man. Juan Norales Cabo from Grupo H is listening in New York. Cabo. Yeah, man.
Well, I mean, with the opportunity that's now in my hand, I'd like to say a pleasant good night to my grandfather who lives in Honduras, Tio Marasa. You know what I mean? He's like the last one from the whole Hernandez family. So I'd like to take this opportunity to tell him, you know, we do love you. I mean, regardless of what, you paved the way. We'd like to say thank you. And for all the people who are listening outside, Belizean, Honduran, Guatemala, we all got Ifuna. At the end of the day, let's just come together as one and make it, you know, what it's supposed to be. I think that the years of preparation should be done now. It's all about togetherness and coming under one roof and making it work. One umbrella is the way to go. I mean, we all strive for the best. So tell all my friends, all my fans out there that I'll see them soon. It's just preparation is the most important thing, and we all got to do what we got to do to make it happen.
Yes, man. Beautiful. Thank you for that, Nuru. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Los Angeles time. And it's 11 p.m. to, actually 10 p.m. to midnight in New York. We are live also in Honduras through Guiriga 99.9 FM radio station. Also with Mr. Garifuna link, radiogarifuna.com and lmbroots.com radio. And in Los Angeles, www.radiocentroamerica.com. Also, I wanted to acknowledge the fact that Dora Valenzuela is listening. Nuru, she's one of your biggest fans. She is from El Salvador, and she lives right here in Los Angeles. So say hello to Dorita and all the Latino community who are listening to Garifuna Music and Talk.
Tell my mama say hi, man. Tell her I love her and miss her a lot.
Yes, man. Yes.
Tell her I miss her a lot. I'm like, it's very emotional, if you know what I mean, because I know that I do touch a lot of souls. So it's sort of kind of emotional to be able to just do the things I do. Like I say, I mean, it's a gift, and not all of us get that gift. So I like to say thanks to everybody. Like, I keep on saying thank you to everybody, and thanks to the Supreme Being for being able to just maintain us and have us do the things we do. I mean, not to forget, I like to advise everybody to go out and get the last album. Reflections is a good album. I know it's not where it needs to be yet, but if you want to get a copy, you can go on my Facebook. You can send me an inbox. I could mail it to you. I could do it digital, whatever way you want. You could just do that, and we'll make it happen. I haven't been in New York for a long time, and I'm waiting for somebody to set up a good show in New York so I could come and actually see my people again.
Well, for all of you promoters out there in New York, don't forget, Nuru Dian Ellis is available and ready to come anytime. The man is already a citizen of the United States, so he doesn't have problems traveling back and forth to the United States or Europe, for that matter. ¿Qué motia?
We go we we go anywhere in the world now.
Yes, man.
You know, I mean, it's all about you know, like I say, it's all about the music, the culture, and togetherness. That's how I feel. I'm very passionate about it, and I feel that it's about time that Booga, you're doing an excellent job in networking. That's very important. I mean, all the networks putting it together, all the people in cyberspace who's doing what they have to do to make sure that we are heard everywhere and we are being respected. I put my hat off to y'all, and I advise and I encourage y'all to make it as big as you all can, and let's show the world that, you know what, Punta and Garifuna is strong. You know, Garifuna music by itself is real, it's indigenous, and it's strong. Let's keep it together. My advice to everybody, I'd like to give a little bit of advice. For all the people who are living in the U.S., living wherever, see Garifuna in your homes. There ain't nothing wrong with that. You know what I mean? What Nikat made it, it's all right. We speak Garifuna. We have our language. We have our food. We have our culture. It's still strong. Let's make it even stronger. The kids, let's look at tomorrow. That's how I look at it. Let 20 years from now be, I don't know what you call it, but an exceptional time to live in. You know, let's make all the Ahari proud. That's all I got to say.
Yes, man. Beautiful. Nuru, do you have any plans, or have you ever visited Honduras? I know you have been in Guatemala. I know you have been to La Boga, but have you ever been to any of the Garifuna villages in Honduras?
Well, I landed in Tegucigalpa.
Uh-huh.
I landed in Tegucigalpa.
Okay.
But I didn't get a chance to really perform in Honduras yet. I am still waiting for that opportunity as well. I mean, it's like I say, there's certain places I haven't really done yet, but I know for a fact in my heart that I will be there at some point. I have nothing but respect for everybody, all the artists who have been doing their work. I got to keep on giving them thanks and let the culture stay alive. I do intend to go to Honduras, though. I mean, whenever the promoters are ready to make it work, I'm ready to work. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to just spread my wings and do whatever I can do to make it as good as I can. You know, respect to Aurelio. Aurelio is doing great. You know what I mean? I like that. And I mean, all the guys from New York who are doing their thing, you know. Legacy Gifted, all these guys, you know, Extreme. In LA, we got, you know, Punta Cartel. We still have 501 Band. You know, we have Caribbean Dynamics here in Belize. We have Uguro is back. You know, we got Punta Rebels. They're still doing their thing. We got Briga Boys. You know, there's even new bands coming up. There's this band named Live Wire. They're doing their thing. And all the artists who are doing their part, let's keep on doing it. Let's stop this fuss amongst each other and let's come together. It's almost 33 years now, man. We're supposed to be on top of the charts. So we gotta work together to make it happen. Alex, shout out to Alex in New York. I know you're doing your thing, bro. You know, we keep it strong.
Yes, man. Beautiful. Nuru, what is your opinion regarding the issue of Garifuna people being called Afrodescendientes or Afrodescendants or Afro-Latinos? There is a movement here in New York and in Los Angeles going on to try to bring back the name of Garifuna to all the Garifuna people from Honduras, and this is mostly an issue in Honduras and in New York. We have a couple of leaders in the community that keep emphasizing being called Afrodescendientes, which means Afrodescendants, and Afro-Latinos. And we need you, I want to challenge you, man, to write a song about that, to make sure that people understand that Garifuna are Garifuna. They are not Afrodescendientes or Afro-descendants or Afro-Americanos or whatever you want to call it, or Afro-Latinos. Garifuna are Garifuna.
I mean, when somebody say that you're Afro-descendant, I guess they are trying to put you in a certain category. We are Garifunas, we are Garinagos. I mean, that we see Garifuna and we are Garinagos. There's no way that we are not linked to Africa. We are linked to Africa, but we have been able to sustain our language, our culture. I think that when you say you're Afro-descendant, it's sort of kind of you're putting people in a category of not being able to trace themselves. And I know for a fact that we have that ability, and we have documentation of everything and all our movements. So Garifuna is first. Let's just bottom line. Let's look at it at a positive light. I mean, if they want to call us that, you know what? We can't fight against them, but we have to identify ourselves as Garifunas. If you don't represent yourself, then you get put in a category.
Yes,
and at
man.
this point, we are supposed to. We have to understand that we got to put ourselves. We got to make ourselves become an item. How do you make yourself become an item? You dress the part. You live the part. You live it. You know what I
Yes.
mean? And when you live it, there's no way you're going to be placed in a different category. I mean, we're Garifunas, we're Garinagos, and we will never, ever, ever be something else other than Garinagos. So,
Yes, man.
you know what I mean? Yes, they have a lot of different tribes that are lost, but we're Garinagos. Let's just stick it, leave it to that, stick a pin, and if they want to do their own thing, that's fine. We'll maintain and we'll do what we have to do as Garinagos.
Yes, man. And you know what? Let me tell you one thing. I know every country within the diaspora, like Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and Nicaragua, even St. Vincent and the Grenadines, has faced certain issues regarding racist acts against Garifuna or acts that don't come to enhance the culture. For example, what happened in Dangriga with First Caribbean Bank with trying to ban Garifuna people from speaking Garifuna. You know, what's going on in Guatemala. You know, with Guatemala being a small Garifuna community, I don't think the issue in Guatemala is losing the land or anything. I think the issue in Guatemala is being more proactive and more politically involved in the life of the country of Guatemala so that Garinagu are able to have more representation in the fact that the culture is being lost at a rapid pace because the schools do not teach Garifuna into the curricula. You know, and then the issue with Honduras is very serious. The issue in Honduras is the land is being taken by the big multi-corporations and the big families that own Honduras. They want to forcibly take Garifuna away from their own ancestral land. And the fact that they are being called Afrodescendientes doesn't help because if you are not a Garifuna, which is the fact that you are a Mary Indian, you have, what do you call it? Ethnic. What is the word? That if you're a Mary Indian, you have rights in Honduras, right? But if you are an Afrodescendiente, you do not have any rights, just like Creole people. You know, they just consider English, Caribbean blacks, period. But if you are Garifuna, you do hold the rights to the land. Go ahead.
Right. They say everything starts from home. And if you don't establish yourself and we keep segregating ourselves, we won't have a say, we won't have any power, we just divided. Divide and conquer always works. So at this point I think we're smart enough to understand that togetherness is strength. Unity is strength. We just gotta come together and represent who we are. We got Let's represent ourselves. Let's come together, and wherever we got to go, in order for us to be recognized and respected, that's what we do. We find ways and means to make it happen. That's what we got to do. I mean, I think it's because there's been a long time that people were not too proud of saying I'm Garifuna. And that's what is now catching up on us now. We have totally swing that around. You know what I mean? You got to be proud to be Garifuna because you were special. And we have not instilled that in our kids, and there's a generation of kids out there and adults who used to be scared of speaking Garifuna on their jobs, and hence the reason why there's a repercussion now. There are things that's happening now that is reversing all that. We have to be able to speak our language regardless of where. I mean, we're supposed to be able to speak English, Spanish, Garifuna. You know what I mean? Whatever your ethnic language is, you're supposed to be able to speak it. That's what you are. So why are you going to try to change to become somebody else just because? We need to stop that. We need to understand, speak it in your homes. You know what I mean? If you meet each other on the street, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Thank
You
you,
know,
Nuru, for
address
that.
it. Eat,
Yes,
do
man.
whatever you got to do.
Yes, man. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you listen to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live via telephone lines from Dangriga, Belize with Nuru, Dian Ellis, the greatest musician ever to come out of Dangriga, Belize, and came to New York at the age of 20, joined Garifuna Kids, then Garifuna Legacy, and then moved to Los Angeles. But one last thing I want to say, Nuru, in regards to the topic that we were talking about is that we had a conversation on Facebook via Messenger with an anthropologist who is involved in this movement about the Afrodescendientes. What happened is that there was a reunion. There was a big meeting that took place in Chile, in South America. And the Ford Corporation was paying for this whole movement for all black people, people who were of black descent, of African descent, to come together to this big convention. And they all agreed that for them to have something in common and to be united and fight together and be able to benefit more evenly from all the countries that they reside in, that they were going to adopt the name Afrodescendientes to identify all black people. So that's what happens, and this is by anthropology, by the last name of Campisi, who was sharing with us how Celio Alvarez was sold out into the idea and how other people were sold out into the idea of Garifuna people being called Afrodescendientes. So now it is our duty for each one of us listening online to start trying to I don't know, maybe start a movement to try to amend that name and be able to change the name from Afrodescendiente and give it back to the Garifuna, the name of Garifuna. I think that's what needs to happen. One closing statement on that, Nuru.
I think our ancestors would be turning upside down in their graves if we would ever allow that to happen. I think they suffered enough. You know what I mean? They fought hard enough. They tried whatever they could have tried in order for us to keep our Garifuna-ness going. So, I mean, if they want to have a category called Afro-descendientes, and then they want to make it subgroups, that's still separation. That's how I look at it. You know what I mean? So we have to identify ourselves as Garina. That's it. We can't fall in any other category. I wouldn't want to, you know, maybe if it's going to be on a whole different level of like maybe economic issues, then I don't know. But otherwise than that, we Garina. I mean, we can't change that.
Yes, man. Thank you, Nuru. So let's change the subject, man. We don't want to get bogged down with this politics or what they call Garifuna politics. But we want to celebrate your music. We want to celebrate the fact that we have a very talented musician. And the album Reflections is the latest thing that you put out. Very nice album. It's got beautiful songs, beautiful parandas. What's next? What's in the studio right now? What's cooking?
I'm working on my next album. It's called Wariguma. It's called Star. The reason why is because I feel that, you know, we should all reach for the stars. So that's what I'm working on, and it's supposed to be out in 2015. You know, I do an album every 2 years. I don't try to do an album a year because, I mean, the amount of work that goes into an album and the discipline that goes along with actually creating good music, it shouldn't be something that happens overnight. It's supposed to come with inspiration. I mean, a lot of guys nowadays, they just go in the studio and they think that they could just create something and make it happen overnight. And in reality, you're not really getting the best of it because the sound has not actually developed. It takes a while for that sound to really develop. If you want something new, if you don't want to be, you know, going around in the same circle, then you will give yourself time. And if you respect your audience and if you respect the people who buy your music and you care about them as much as you care about the music, you wouldn't rush it. But that's just my opinion, and I hope that, you know, the guys out there who actually take time to put music together, to create something new, it doesn't happen overnight. So that's just what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my time. I'm getting Wariguma going because I know for a fact it's going to be a good album. It's going to be a crossover. It has a lot of English. Well, guys, you could take it and run with it if you want. I'm doing paranas in English, Spanish, and Garifuna, of course, because I think we speak 3 different languages, so we can't just please one side. We got to be able to, you know what I mean, be versed and have everybody understand what we're playing, and that's just it. I mean, I'm working on it so far, and it's just a couple of good love songs and good love stories, and it's. I am not going to rate it. I'll let you all rate it when you hear it.
Beautiful. Thank you. We want to acknowledge Jerry Castro, who's listening live right now in St. Louis, Missouri. He is at Union Hall listening with two co-workers who are getting ready for the Mike Brown rally this Saturday. You know, Jerry Castro is politically involved. He's a Garifuna who is really at the leading edge of politics right here in the United States.
Right.
Yes.
I mean, Jerry has always had the music and everything, and we used to spend hours on top of hours talking on the phone and sharing ideas and stuff like that. I mean, I think he knows all the struggles we've been through, and hats off to all the people who try to, you know, make a difference and keep the industry as fresh as it can. And all the youngsters who are coming up, my advice to you all is don't think you know everything. You know what I mean? Because you don't know everything. You probably have a different sound, but listen to the elders, because the elders are the ones who've gone through it. They've felt the pain. So that's what I have been trying to do for years, and I think I'm blessed. I've been honored to be able to, you know, be in certain environments because of my ability to just be humble. I mean, don't ever in your lifetime think that you don't need anybody, because we all need each other. You know what I mean? We're only as strong as we all together. You know what I mean? There's nothing, no individual person who is strong by him or herself. You got to be a unit. You got to come together, and that's where the strength lies. So,
yeah, man.
No, once again, like I said, Buga. Itarala, Papa.
So, Nuru, I'm gonna mention each one of the albums that you have recorded. When I mention the album, I want you to give me a short opinion of each album. Short, okay. First album that you ever recorded, The History of Our Roots.
Right. The History of Our Roots was written in New York, produced by Lace, Jose Batiste, and the singers on it was Margie Alvarez, myself, Carla Anzu. I mean, they did a wonderful job. I mean, Athenian became the hit song on that album, and I'd like to thank everybody who contributed. Jason Diego, Steve Benedict. I mean, I give respect where it's due all the time, and those were the ones who contributed and made it work. I'm not gonna, you know, take away anything from anybody. Kevin, you know what I mean, there was Giovanni, all these guys came and they contributed as much as they could have. And I'd like to say thanks to everybody who actually made that album possible.
Right on. What about the second album, Realidad? I know that one is heavily influenced by reggae music. Tell me about Reality.
Reality was a crossover for me. It was an experiment for me because I was actually experimenting with Hispanic reggae. I feel that, you know, I mean, there's a lot of things. I mean, as a vocalist, you shouldn't be limited to one style of music. And that was influenced by a lot of my friends. I was doing a lot of stuff in black and white with the DJ is from LA. I don't Beto, DJ Beto.
Yeah.
I mean, he was the one who was, you know, trying to send me in a certain direction and it was an experiment. I mean, I had fun with it. I did a couple of different songs on it that I really liked. You know what I mean? I came with This Is How We Dance Punta on that album, and it was a crossover. So I did that basically on my own. I mean,
yes.
I had a little bit or no help. I mean,
yeah, man.
Okay,
tough, how about the third album?
Fun.
Yeah, man. How about the third album, The Experiment? I know this one produced one of the hottest songs. This one was also made into a music video, which has close to 750,000 hits on YouTube. So you know which song I'm talking about. The Experiment. Tell me about it.
Yeah, the Experiment was an experiment. I had people like Diana, Luisito. I had my what's his name that was there. Joanna. I had some people who, I mean, it was a different, because the experiment was inspired because of the fact that there was always fights. and I realized that I couldn't really be around too much fight. I needed to change my environment. So in order for me to have been able to change my environment, I had to change the whole aspect of what I was doing. And I realized that whenever people did punta, everybody, you know, they caught a different time. So I was trying to create a different environment, which I accomplished, because now Paranda is one of the hottest music that is being played and enjoyed and danced everywhere you go now. So it was an experiment that I am proud of. I really and truly worked. I did whatever I had to do in order for me to make it work. So that's the story of the experiment.
Yes, man. What's the name of that song that was made into a music video by edityourvideo.com? It's called This Is How You Dance.
Oh,
Punta.
This is how we dance. The real name is 1-800-PUNTA, but we call it This Is How We Dance Punta.
Yes, man.
Because it was a crossover, it was a transition.
Yeah, man. Still growing, man, on YouTube. So Jerry Castro said, thank you, man, for mentioning my name and for giving us a big shout out. I also want to tell you that my wife from Trinidad and Tobago are listening in Los Angeles, of course. I'm sorry, in Houston. What about the next album?
Yeah, I enjoyed Trinidad. I enjoyed everything about Port of Spain and Maraval while I was there. So I had an opportunity to be there. So I can actually, you know, I can actually get I am very familiar with it, the environment. I love it. I mean, I think we got the same vibe. I mean, Suriname, Trinidad, all these places, they are excellent place to travel and visit. I advise everybody to go and visit it. And I mean, hey, it's been an excellent ride. You know, I would not trade it for the world. I mean, there's a lot of people who get the opportunity to. I mean, they have choices in life. I mean, some people are chosen to do certain things, and some people, you know, I mean, you choose what you want to do. I am thankful that I have actually gotten the opportunity to live the life. And do what I love. I mean, some people love something, but they have to do something else in order for them to survive. I've been able to do what I love. I mean, I was teaching music for a couple of years here in Belize. I touched a lot of people. I created brand new talent, and that's my drive. My drive is to create brand new, because we need to have the circles, you know, evolving, and it's been great. I mean, the next album I did after that was Believe. And Believe
No, don't skip. You did Punta Cartel album, Mete y Saca. What's up with that?
Oh, yeah. I did Mete y Saca. I wouldn't want to say this on the air, but Mete y Saca was a lot of hard work and nothing, and no benefits at all. I mean, I honestly, like I say, I don't want to say it on the air, but I've not gotten paid for Mete y Saca. I mean, nobody has gotten paid for Mete y Saca. But at the end of the day, the album did well. And, I mean, it's sad that, you know, we go to the point that we have to put people on blast sometimes, but that's just how the reality is. I mean, they got people out there, and all musicians, you got to look out for promoters who want to take advantage of you, and that's what they do sometimes. Some people, that's how they strive. They strive on destroying people. And that's the reason why I moved out of there. Because it wasn't beneficial to me in any way, and I realized that I had to make a change, and it was tough. Anytime you make a move is always tough, but being comfortable is not a good thing. You get out your comfort zone and you really discover yourself, and things might happen that you never expect to happen. You get greater, you know, and I was with Caribbean Dynamics, I helped them a lot, and then here comes the experiment, you know what I mean, and the experiment was excellent. It did really well. And then after the experiment came Believe, and Believe was an album that I did at home because I wanted to, you know, try something different. And then I had some songs from my grandmother that I wanted to put out, and I wanted to create a different sound. And Believe, Believe is one of the best-selling albums I've had.
Yeah,
you know,
man, I love it.
Here comes,
I love that album. Yeah, especially
you know,
the medley that you have there called Amor. Very nice. Long medley.
Yep. And then now we have Reflection, and Reflection is off the roof. I'm loving it right now.
Nice
You
album,
know,
yes.
I mean, I'm loving Reflection. Yeah, I'm loving Reflection because I went back from that, that mechanical sound to that real, that real roots culture sound, and that real roots culture sound has made everything just go right back into place. I mean, it's not everything in life is electronic, I mean, it's good to create a different sound. And then now with Waruguma, Waruguma is a combination, it's an experiment again. I think every album I do is an experiment. But Waruguma is more like a crossover album. It's like a love song, a love Paranda album. Love songs in Paranda. All original songs. Of course, you got to bring a couple of, old stuff. But I have tried my best to create a danceable Paranda. Like that. Punta went a little bit too fast, and we are all, getting older. We don't have the same strong knees like we used to have. But we could dance Paranda, and we could put a little flavor in there to make it, even more danceable. And that's what I've been able to. I've been experimenting with it for a couple of years now, and so far it's been working out. So the next album is going to be a really dance love album. You're gonna sit in the living room. You might cry. You might want to get up and dance to it. You might just want to listen to it, or you might want to have it in your car when you travel. You don't ever know. I mean, I'd advise everyone though to get a copy of Reflection. There's acts on there that I'm really, really proud of. I mean, the one Bunga Bafu is a very strong song.
Love it. I love it. Yeah.
I've been writing about things that's been happening here in Belize. I do have kids. My kids are grown now. My kids, I have two 17-year-olds. And they living in a country where they have a total different perspective of life. And I'm trying my best to see what I could do to have them change that, because it's very important that they see life, in a very positive kind of way. But you are where you live,
Yes.
So I'm trying my best to see if I could get my kids and, do a little bit more for not only them but for the entire Garifuna community. So that's my story. That's my lifeline right there. I mean, Topo, I'm waiting to do Topo's next album.
Yes,
He
man.
said he
Nice.
got all the songs ready, so I'll be ready. I mean, I'm doing Georgette's next album. I just finished doing Culture Jam with Frankie.
Oh yeah, nice
I did
album.
that.
Your call was ended because you know.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I guess we need to call him back. The time ran out on our phone call, so we're going to try to reach him back up right now. So we're going to play some music. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live and direct from the studios in Long Beach, and we are live with Dian Ellis Nuru, straight from Dangriga, Belize.
Agibe abonile Tuni buba Yambara muda Punta Cartel Let's go Garringa Y luego yo te apunta cartel y hago Lao te acate y cielo Ok, Garina, go vuelva a lao Lao cate y vete se vete Ajá ¡Ey! Punta Cartel Mix por todo el mundo. Let's go. Punta Cartel con el ritmo que está pegando. Se llama Mete y Saca. Karina Go, huelga de lado. Ajá. Sabor. ¡Ay! adelante, mami, para atrás, para adelante, para atrás, adelante, mami, Punta Cartel, ajá, super bonito, super guapa, ok, suave, suave, óyala, así me gusta, más duro, dale dos, óyalo, así mami, oya, dale tres, oye, mami. Ay, 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 ay,
Come along. I know. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Ha ha ha! Ay ay ay. Poquito cambio, papá. Come on. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Bring it down, dig it down, ding down, dig it. Ha ha ha! Ay ay ay. Poquito cambio, papá. Come along.
punta, una bomba vaya na muleyere, yeni yo negati bukuye. Ay ay ay, gari na go, garara go adukatia, ella, laule bima be mami, chupa wow, hey. Una bomba ba, belugu te bana duwe lamse. Bakato myself, aha. Hey, hey, mami, papi, chade, okay, okay, mi gente, Garinago, Wasule, Guayno, Takato, okay, vemos de lado.
Mano a la rodilla. Mano a la rodilla.
Punta, cartel, let's go. Punta, mano a la rodilla, muévela, 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 mano a la rodilla, muévela. Cartel, tu mamá. Hasta noviembre. Hasta noviembre. Y quiere van aquí a no coja lo van a conquistar. Y el amo cada como te nao. Hasta noviembre. Hasta noviembre. Y quiere van aquí a no coja lo van a conquistar. Y el amo cada como te nao. Ay, ay, ay. Baby, me mama. Chupa, ajá. Ya sabes. Hey, Gardel.
En Honduras, babina jaba. En Honduras, babina jaba punta. En Honduras se baila la punta. En Honduras meneamos la punta. En Honduras gozamos la punta. En Honduras meneamos la punta.
Lupino no mata y eres pita Rubén ciego. A literatura tuya, mama, wahurerayo buyonde. 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 Sácate, babo. Okay, suave mami, hey, that diggy, aha, that diggy, mami, ay ala, suavecito mami, ay ala,
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Belizean Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live and direct. This is Garifuna Music on Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and from 10 p.m. to midnight in New York. And we are also live in New York through radiogarifuna.com and lmbRoots.com radio. Also right here in Los Angeles through www.radiocentroamerica.com y en vivo en Radio Guiriga 99.9 FM en Santa Fe, Honduras. Y no se olviden de que Gafu School se pone a la orden con clases gratis de Garifuna aquí en Los Ángeles todos los sábados desde las 11 de la mañana en la 81 Vermont en el Community Center, Centro Comunal de la Vermont en la 81. So if you want to learn Garifuna, come and bring the family. Classes are free. Gafu School, Garifuna Language and Culture Academy opens its doors at 11 in the morning every Saturday for free Garifuna classes every Saturday. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, that Gafu channel is also available on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can enjoy all of the videos plus the podcasts of each and every one of these shows that we do every Wednesday. We upload it and we put it available for your enjoyment. You can listen to them anytime, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So if you go to Gafu channel on YouTube, make sure you spell it G-A-H-F-U, Gafu channel, and subscribe because we're looking to have 5,000 subscribers so we could actually enjoy all the benefits of the studio that was built by Google, the parent company of YouTube, right here in Santa Monica for the production of TV shows and radio shows. So don't forget to subscribe to Gafu channel. We're live and direct with Gafu, with Nuru and Dian Ellis, straight from Dangriga, Belize. We're about to call him back. But in the meantime, we got more music coming up for you. And this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centro America and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
And don't forget that GAFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, in association with Jerry Castro, are hosting a gala, nice day where we're going to honor all of the doers and the shakers in the Garifuna community right here at Mars Caribbean Restaurant on Saturday, November 15th from 12 noon all the way until 4 p.m. this coming Saturday, the 15th of November. Well, it's not even coming. It's next month. But we want to make sure that you are aware of it and you come. We will be honoring the movers and the shakers in the Garifuna community of Los Angeles, including Antulio Reyes from Garifuna, from the Guatemalan Bakery, Antulio and Nora Fuentes from Atlantida International Shipping Company, also Mr. Clifford Palacio, and many, many more people in the community. So we have invited the community of Haiti, the community of Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Nicaragua, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, El Salvador. Everybody will be there. Don't forget, Saturday, November 15th from 12 noon until 4 p.m. And this is an invitation by Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, GAFU, in association with Jerry Castro Cayetano.
Hola mi seluma, hola mi seluma, bayanu hanuma, badi mure hanuma, ubagura sunu. Dere buguna muga Ubagura sunu Uhola miseluma Uhola miseluma Bayanu hanuma Oh oh Badimure hanuma Oh oh Ubagura sunu Dere buguna muga Ubagura sunu Higa bonito, higa bonate, higa bo mama, higa bo dada. Hanuma nakuno, hanitu henugo, nakuwada yo, luwaku no meru babo. Namiselu mama, bayanu hanuma, oh oh, badimure hanuma. Ubagura sunu Dere buguna buga Ubagura sunu Higa bonito Higa bonate, higa bo mama, higa bo dada. Mata kuno, I know that's Gabaga. Karina, sieta nuru. Hey, bunda batina, luni lati, luni na mutu lo waku ni durua. Hey, bunda batina, luni lati, luni na mutu lo waku ni durua. Uki heaven and there, Umaha Frede, Lige Lagari Tabu. Uki Harumude, Uki heaven and there, Umaha Frede, Lige Lagari Tabu. Mata un poco, la
Dale mi siemba, malade y ciega y guarde, malade, dale mi siemba, malade y ciega y guarde, chica pa presima, dale mi siemba, malade y ciega y guarde, malade, dale mi siemba.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. This is DJ Labuga Garifuna Music and Talk, and we shall continue with the music as we establish, or we try to establish connection back again with Nuru, back in Dangriga, Belize. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, your radio show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Dimure. Karina, go! Go, tell Aha! Iti kayo sa nanigi home.
Okay, we're back. We're back. This is DJ Labuga Garifuna Music. Garifuna Music and Talk. We're live with Nuru, straight from Dangriga, Belize. So, Nuru, we're back, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. We lost you for a minute there. I know you got a lot of work to do with the band. You're rehearsing. What's coming up? Is there a concert that you guys are getting ready for?
Yeah, we're doing it's called a pre-November 19th bash that's going to be held on the beach at Paul's Guest House here in Dangriga. It's going to be huge. We have a couple of bands that are going to be featured that night and a couple of artists as well. Young and old for everyone to come and enjoy. So if you're coming from the States and you're coming to Belize for any time between now and November 19th, you can come and visit us and have a good time with us.
That's nice, man. That's nice. Nuru, is there who's there right now in the room with you guys rehearsing? Is there anyone that we know?
We have from Ugro, of course. We have Saput, original bass player. We have Alan Baba Castillo. We have Miguel. We have Miggs, Junior Miggs, and that's basically reviving Ugro.
Wow, that's nice.
We're making it happen. Yeah, we're making it happen. A couple of veterans. We're actually at Wapamela Studio, and we're trying to get it done.
Very nice, man. Very nice. Make sure you give the regards to this gentleman right there, telling that we appreciate the hard work that they put into it, and hopefully they could tour the United States sooner than later.
Well, we're working on bringing it together so we can actually travel. So we can travel and make it work. So we're putting our whole repertoire together in order for us to actually, probably go back on the road and make it happen all over again.
Yes, man. Nice, nice, nice. So give my regards, man, from all of us right here in the United States, our beautiful listeners in New York, and all the beautiful people right here in the West Coast listening live to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the one and only Nuru live straight from Dangriga, from his home studio right there in Dangriga, Belize. How's the weather, Nuru? Is it hot?
Raining. It's raining.
It's raining
I'm
cats
actually
and dogs.
outside the studio now. Yeah, it's raining in Belize. I love it. I mean, this is like, it's undescribable. I mean, you get the best night's sleep when you hear the rain falling on top of the roof. For those people who haven't had that opportunity, I'm going to invite you to come to Belize and try it out and see. You won't hear a siren. You won't hear an ambulance. You'll be you'll be blown away by it. You'll be blown away by a good night rest.
So when it rains, it's time to get in the covers with your beloved wife or your girlfriend or whatever, man, and just enjoy yourself. Have a good time,
man. I mean, it's undescribable. Everybody sleeps in one bed when it rains. You know, without cuddle is it's like when you're going through a snowstorm in the States and it's extremely cold. We all bundle up together, and you know, it's lovely. It's fun.
Yes, man. Beautiful.
It's all about, you know, family environment. So before we set off again, I'd like to say thanks to everyone who listened, and I'm hoping and praying that we all get to see each other again and have a good time and keep the culture alive, keep the music alive, keep it strong, keep it as strong as we can. And remember, you know, Bumi Waba, you know, Wadiazari and Garifuna first, it doesn't matter what.
Thank you, Nuru, for that, man. Beautiful. We appreciate that, and thank you for the time that you have given us right here in Los Angeles, New York, and even in Guiriga, Santa Fe, Honduras. I know people are listening, están escuchando en vivo a nuestro show a través de Radio Centroamérica, de LNB Roots Radio y de Radio Garifuna Link también en Nueva York. Así es de que, Nuru, we thank you, man. Is there anything you want to voice out? The microphone is yours, man. Take whatever time you want, and then we will continue playing your music. This is Garifuna Music and Talk live with Nuru, straight from Dangriga, Belize.
I just want to say, Sereme, I would like to say gracias. Thanks to everybody. Keep supporting the music. Keep it up. Let's just keep our culture strong. Let's not throw it away. Let's, you know, try our best to conserve our language and our culture. It's strong. We have Putakana, we were losing it, but I think we could really get it back and live the way how we're supposed to live. Love each other every day. You know what I mean? No problem. Let's just come together as a unit. Let's make it happen. All the Garinago artists, all the Garifuna artists, everybody, you know, all the paranderos, parandistas, you know, everybody, guys who do punta, paranda, it doesn't matter. Once you play Garifuna music, just keep it strong, try your best to keep the music as clean as you can. You never know who's listening, because we do have young ones coming up. So that's my advice to everybody else, and thanks for the love. Thanks to everybody who's listening, everybody in New York, in Washington, Chicago, in Honduras, in Guatemala. It doesn't matter where you're listening, just remember that whenever I do anything, I do it from the heart, and I do it to make sure I keep it strong and I keep it as healthy as possible. Sereme, gracias. Enough love all the time.
Thank you, Nuru. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Dian Ellis Nuru, straight from Dangriga, Belize, live right here in the studio. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Thank you, Nuru. We love you, man, and keep making that beautiful music.
Thanks, man. I hope to see you all and have brand new stuff for you all soon.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Go back to work, brother. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right. Take care.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yes. And this is from the brand new album from Reflections, and this is called Nati Massimo.
man. Reckless way. I got the Moduro. But wait, ya. Got him to go. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Aye. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Hanging some walagaligira. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Aye. Hanging some good. Alagaligira. Hanging some walagaligira. Agambalukuti laluwago. Nati Massimo, nada vidina, nati Massimo, nada vidina, aye, aye, nati Massimo, nada vidina, nada vidina, vidubaraye, quiero allá punta puma, haki sabugo, alagaligira, haki sabugo, alagaligira, aye, aye, haki sabugo. Alagaligira, agisa walagate ligirale, agambarukuti laluwago. Hey, agisa walagate ligirale, agambarukuti laluwago. Oh, agisa walagate ligirale, agambarukuti laluwago.
Want to send a big shout out to Lali Nunez, Marta Valentin Letson, Janeguitic Savio, Juan Morales.
Ah, you baby, wapo,
beautiful, beautiful. That's Yurume and Vincent by Nuru. And now Nuru is paying a tribute to Andy Palacio with this next song. You're listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday.
Nuru dali, tumo George. Niamba tauremu, tukino Andy Palacio. Wamada quiere, wamada, awahame megua la mafiania, lelu boba wisahaya bugatia wo, igira waya la wiruni, lelu boba wisahaya bugatia wo, igira waya la mafiania. Lanade me uga no woni iye Gura gulingiri Kawanige Lanade me uga no woni iye Gura gulingiri Kawanige Ay, puganale, larbe ya luwa hina tugu chirisale, mate numute na muleda. Kate buri, ganade me uga no woni tie. Gura guri guri tamu wanige. Ganade me uga no woni ie. Gura guri guri tamu wanige. Ay, puganale, larbe ya luwa hina tugu chirisale, mate numute na muleda. Ay, 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 gari na go, gara na go, tatia, nuru tele. Alejandro Hernández, acá me ganado lira. Sumuya pera, sawa wari yuyeta. Chulo alu wati madari amute. Agumuya pera, sawa wari yuyeta. Chulo alu wati madari amute. Ai halu gune hanaganu. Nakusere rungu bakuma, lugune namule. Ali bagure bagure dara. Mama, tell me manuru. Hey, leave me mambo, Ziggy. Wait for your salam. Nadai ruwaru ha lugune na mulema. Tamu wala ganali ruwo. Nadai ruwaru ha lugune tamuleda. Tamu wala ganali ruwo. Ai apieta wire dunia ane. Agara haya haru boti ganali ruwo.
Wow, nice. That's, ladies and gentlemen, Nuru, Dian Ellis, right here. A special show dedicated to the music and the talent of Mr. Dian Ellis Nuru. We just had him on the phone via Dangriga, Belize. Also got a message from Bill Flores. There is a Garifuna researcher of healing processes that will be opening a research center in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, this is Bill Flores telling me about this lady here, this doctor. Her approach to healing is based on the things our ancestors did. Her name is Dr. Karen Witty. I would like for you to feature her on your radio show next week, Wednesday. And, of course, thank you, Bill, for that. We're going to have Dr. Karen Witty, a Garifuna researcher of a healing process. And she has a doctorate degree, of course, and we'll be talking to her next week. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, live and direct from our studios in Long Beach, California. We're live every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and from 10 p.m. to midnight in New York, Eastern Time. We're also live, estamos en vivo en Santa Fe, Honduras, a través de Radio Guiriga 99.9 FM, y también por Radio Garifuna Link, www.radiogarifuna.com y lmbroots.com radio. Así es de que gracias por estar en sintonía. This is DJ Labuga, live and direct, every Wednesday. Let's get back to Nuru.
Direct from the culture capital, Riga. This is Nuru. With a kind of cash to the production. It's time to take off your shoes, because it's party time. In the rain, out in the cold, under the hot sun. It's morning time. In the rain, out in the cold, under the hot sun. matter the time I am we jumping. It's party time in a Griga dance. No matter the time we was jam. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. Representation time. Rock. If you have a rock or if you have a flop, everybody put it up in the air. And I want you to give me the best wine you got. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, and give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, and give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, and give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, give me your best wine. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. It's party time in a Belize. No matter the time I am we jamming. It's party time in a Griga dance. No matter the time we was jam. The party the day, the party the day, in a Griga down. The party the day, the party the day, in a Griga down. Party the day, the party the day, in a Griga down. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. In the rain, we jamming. Out in the cold, we jamming. Under the hot sun, we jamming. Till morning time. So show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, and give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, and give me your best wine. Show me your rock, show me your rock, show me your flag, show me your flag, show me your rock, show me your rock, give me your best wine. Aquí me amo mi Aquí me abonile. Aquí me abonile. Aquí la veinte mambo. Oh yeah. Come again. Yeah, Samson. Chupo. Chuponito. Así. Nayo. García Numanuro. Ajá. madigatao no quiera digna. Okay, Punta Cana, mix it up, baby. Okay, mommy. Yes, I love it, you. Gonna be back in the mind. Yes, I love it, you. Gonna be back in the mind. Yes, I love it, you. Gonna be back in the mind. I think I'm in love. Don't go on yonder. I'm going to go on the mother to know. Yes, I love it, you. Yes, I love it, you. Yes, I love it, you. Got the back in the man. I think I'm in love. Don't go on, yeah, I'm going to go on the mother to know. Hey, the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to tell, the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to and the mother to in the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to tell. Mix, baby. In the mother to in the mother to and the mother to in the mother to tell, the mother to in the mother to tell. Cambio ritmo. Okay, mi gente. Ahora vamos a hacer mete y saca, ¿ok? Mete para adelante y saca para atrás. Ajá. Pero ahora quiero una bailarina, ¿ok? Una beliceña, una catracha, una hondureña. Ajá. Oye. Lipime. Come again. Ajá. Okay. Coro. Ajá. Chumoma. Okay. ¿Qué motea? Chumoma. Chumbonito. Oh yeah. Come. Dale comparátula. Higi hueca híbride. Oh yeah. Mete para adelante y saca para atrás, ¿ok? Karina, go. Wait to get allow. Óyala. Okay, you ready? Llévate al lado. Coro. Así. shake your body. Come on and move and move and move and move and go down. Come on and shake your body, girl. Come on and move and move and move and move and turn around. Toda mi gente, mueva la cintura, las manos y las caderas, la rodilla y la cabeza, de un lado al otro. Come on and shake your body. Come on and move and move and move and move and go down. Come on and shake your body, girl. Come on and move and move and move and move and turn around. Para mi raza garifuna, eso le bon ta puri du hanya ta da bon ta puri du ma, eso le bon. Ain't not the meti punta se meti hanya, eso le bon. Uda ni chubu ida ba take bang daga bon ma, eso le bon. Ina peita piri du mama se meti hanya, eso le bon. Ta puri du hanya ta da bon ta puri du ma, eso le bon. Ain't not the meti punta se meti hanya, eso le bon. Uda ni chubu ida ba take bang daga bon ma. Come on and shake your body. Come on and move and move and move and move and go down. Come on and shake your body, girl. Come on and move and move and move and move and turn around. Muévela, 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 mami, muévela, 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 ya. Muévela, 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 mami, muévela, 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 ya. Las manos arriba, las caderas para acá. Las manos arriba, las caderas para acá. Muévela, 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 mami, muévela, 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 ya. Muévela, 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 mami, muévela, 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 ya. Las manos arriba, las caderas para acá. Las manos arriba, las caderas para acá. Come on and shake your body. Come on and move and move and move and move and go down. Come on and shake your body, girl. Come on and move and move and move and move and turn around. Literatura natura, your mama, what would it I you Hey mama, what would it I you Literatura natura, your mama, what would it I you Hey mama, what would it I you Literatura natura, your mama, what would it I you Hey mama, what would it I you Literatura natura, your mama, what would it I you Hey mama, what would it I you Come on and shake your body. Come on and move and move and move and move and go down. Come on and shake your body, girl. Come on and move and move and move and move and turn around. Eso le bon ta puri du, da da ponta puri du ma. Eso le bon. Ain't not the meti punta se meti hanya. Eso le bon. Uda ni chubu pide ba take bang daga bon ma. Eso le bon. Ina peita piri du mama se meti hanya. Eso le bon. Ta puri du hanya ta da ponta puri du ma. Eso le bon. Ain't not the meti punta se meti hanya. Shake the waist, baby. Hey, shake it down, 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 shake it down. Give me the drums. All right, we're gonna get busy right now, okay?
To Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ
Whatever you got, pull up and wave it, okay, baby? All right, let's go. Wave it up, 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 wave it high, 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 Second, mommy. All right, shake your waist, baby. Shake your waist, shake your waist. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it left to right. Shake it up, shake it down, shake it down. From Africa to Dangriga, we dancing punta. Hondurans and Haitians too. Anima, Sola, Bugadama. Abina, Hawana, Guya. Abina, Hawana, Guya. Hey, hey. Maho, Sola, Bugadama. Abina, Hawana, Guya. Abina, Hawana, Guya. This is how we dance. This is how we dance it. Side to side, side to side. How we dance it. This is how we feel the music, man. Here we go. Chupa, chupa, this is how we dance it. This is how we dance it. Let your soul free, baby. This is how we dance it. This is how we dance it. It's like stress relief, you know what I mean?
Walagate. Ibenate, sigan la vida buariwa. Ibenita, sigan la vida buariwa. La kuwa me bahabu. Umada bunu. Africa na hebe, ayuru meida. Vende mamedi ya walagate.
Good night. We'll see you next week. This is Garifuna Music on Top with DJ La Buga. With the Buga.
Africa again, ayuru mege, adiru buhungu, ruwa masere me osuwa yunago. Sere me, aruwa masere me, sere me, aruwa masere me, owa yunago, aruwa masere me osuwa yunago. Wayunago. Shatuye Sereme, Duvalia Sereme, Marco Sanchez Diaz, Ruamayun Sereme home. Mandela Sereme, Damas Vincent Ramos, Ruamayo Sereme home. Jose, ¿cómo has tu atrás?